Factor theorem. X minus a is a factor of polynomial p of x if p of a is equal to 0. Also, if x minus a is a factor of p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. You should remember here that in this binomial, if we substitute the value of x in the given polynomial p of x, if p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of the given polynomial. And also here also, x minus a is a factor of p of x one and only if p of a is equal to 0, that is the value of x when this binomial is equated to 0, the value of x will be equal to a. As this shifts to the RHS, x will be equal to a. Let us equate this one to the 0. X minus a is equal to 0. So x will be equal to, as this moves to the RHS, it will be equal to a. So what we will do here, p of x is equal to p of a. If this p of a reduces to 0, as we substitute the value of x, that is a, in the given polynomial p of x, it will become p of a. And if this p of a reduces to 0, then we will say that the binomial x minus a is a factor of the polynomial p of x. It's called as factor theorem. Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. To know whether x plus 1 is a factor, let us first equate this x plus 1 to 0 so that we will get the value of x, that is x is equal to minus 1, that is the value of x. If not, it is the minus 1 is the 0 of this binomial, is the root of this equation. We can define in these three ways. By substituting this equation in the given equation, p of x is equal to x cubed plus x square plus x plus 1 is the given equation, that is p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube can be written as minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1 1. So minus 1 plus of minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1 plus 1 plus minus 1 plus into minus is minus plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 cancels and p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1. So these two cancels. This will be equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, the given polynomial. Now let us move on to the second problem. As we know that x plus 1 is equal to 0, we have equated the given polynomial and the value of x is equal to minus 1. So let us substitute this in the given polynomial. P of x is equal to x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 4 plus minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 whole to the power of 4 is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So by multiplying this one, minus into minus is plus, 1 1 is a 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So the answer is plus 1. So we can substitute this here, plus 1. Plus of minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Plus of minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Plus into minus is minus 1 plus 1. So these two cancels. So here plus 1 plus into minus is minus 1 plus into plus is plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancels. P of minus 1 is plus 1. So therefore x plus 1 is not a factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, as P of minus 1 does not equals to 0. Let us move on to the next problem. Here straight away let us substitute. Let us take down P of x is equal to x to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 whole to the power 4 is plus 1. Plus 1 plus of 3 into minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Plus 3 into minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Plus into minus, minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels. Here 1 plus into minus is minus, 3 ones are 3. Plus into plus is plus, 3 ones are 3. So minus 1 minus 3 plus 3 cancels. So P of minus 1 is equal to 1, which is not equals to 0. Therefore x plus 1 is not a factor of x to the power of 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Let us move on to the next problem. That is the fourth problem. X cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2x plus root 2. Let this be equal to P of x. Let us take that as P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus of minus 1 whole square minus 2 plus root 2 into minus 1 plus root 2. Minus 1 whole cube, we already know that is equal to minus 1. Minus of minus 1 whole square is equal to plus 1 minus of 2 plus root 2 into minus into minus is plus 1 plus root 2. So it is equals to minus 1 minus into plus is minus 1 plus 1 2s are 2 plus 1 root 2 plus root 2, which is can be written as, let us write this here, minus 1 is minus 2 plus 2 plus Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2. These two cancels, whereas this one remains 2 root 2. P of minus 1 is equal to 2 root 2, which is not equals to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of x cube minus x square minus 2 plus 2 root 2x plus root 2. The 0. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x. In the first problem, p of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1, and g of x is equal to x plus 1. The 0 of g of x is equal to x plus 1 can be found by equating it to 0. So, x is equal to minus 1 is the 0 of the given g of x. So, the p of x is 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. So, on substituting x is equal to minus 1 in p of x, p of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 2 into minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 plus of minus 1 whole square is minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So, it will be equal to 1 minus into minus is plus, 2 minus 1. Here, minus 1 and plus 1 is there. Minus 1 and plus 1 cancels. Here, what happens means minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Here, plus 2. This will be equal to 0. P of minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, by the factor theorem, factor theorem, we can say that g of x, that is x plus 1, is a factor of p of x, which is equals to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Let us move on to the second problem. That is p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and g of x is equal to x plus 2. So here also we can get it by equating this g of x to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. So what happens? X will be equal to minus 2. X is the value of x is the 0 of the g of x. That is, minus 2 is the 0 of the g of x. If not, we can also state as minus 2 is the root of the g of x, and the value of x is the minus 2. Likewise, the p of x we will rewrite x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. On substituting the value of x, that is minus 2, in this equation, we will get minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. So, minus 2 whole cube is minus 2 whole cube is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, which will be equal to minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, so 8. Minus 8 plus minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2, which is equals to minus into minus is plus, 2 to the 4. So, 3 into plus 4 plus into minus is minus, 3 to the 6 plus 1. So, the answer is minus 8 plus 3 4s are 12 minus 6 plus 1. P of minus 2 can be equated as minus 6 minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14, and plus 12 plus 1 is plus 13. So, P of minus 2 is equal to minus 1. This does not equals to 0. Therefore, by the factor theorem, we can say that we can say that x plus 2 is equal to g of x is not a factor of p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. From the first problem, we can already know that by the factor theorem, if this is equal to 0, then it is a factor. If in this case, it is not equal to 0, on substituting the value of x in the g of x, in the p of x, it is not equal to 0, so g of x is not the factor of the p of x. This is the third problem. We move on to this one. Here also g of x is equal to x minus 3. We will be equating it to 0 to find the value of x. That is, x will be equal to plus 3. As 3 moves to the RHS, it will be equal to plus 3. We will substitute this value in p of x. That is, p of x will be equal to p of plus 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 4 3 into square 3 square plus 3 plus 6. So 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 4 into 3 square is 9 plus 6 plus 3 is 9, which is equals to 27 minus 9 4s are 36 plus 9. So P of 3 is equal to 27 plus 9 is 36 minus 36. So P of 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, g of x is equal to x minus 3 is a factor of p of x is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6.